Today we're going to learn about the days of the week in Spanish and English. So, a week starts on Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. A week has 7 days. Let's count to see if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in one week. So the week starts on Sunday and it ends on Saturday. So every Sunday is the beginning of a new week. So we say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. If you notice, all the days of the week in English starts with a capital letter, and that's because they are proper nouns. So proper nouns need to start with a capital letter. They are proper nouns because they name a specific day. So whenever we're writing the days of the week, we need to spell it with the capital letter. We need to start with a capital letter. One of the trickiest days of the week to spell is the day Wednesday. This is because the way we say it does not sound the way we actually spell it. So we say Wednesday, Wednesday. The D and the E is silent. We just hear Wednesday. Wens, that's what we hear, Wednesday. However, if you look at the spelling, it's spelled Wednesday. So when you're spelling this out, it would actually be better to pronounce it this way. Wednesday. And that helps you to remember that there is a D, WED, and ES, and then DAY. All the other days are quite easy to remember to spell. So Wednesday is the tricky one. Now let's move on to the days of the week in Spanish. In Spanish, we say días de la semana. Say that with me. Días de la semana. So this means days of the week. So this is how you say days of the week in Spanish. Now, if we look at the words here in Spanish, they all start with a small letter. They don't start with capital letters the way they do in English. That is because in Spanish, these are not capitalized. They are not proper nouns. So in Spanish, when we write in the days of the week, we always use small letters. When it comes to this word with the little tilde on top, it means that you're going to put some emphasis on the letter E, and I will share that with you shortly. And it's the same with this little tilde on top of the A. You're going to put some emphasis when you pronounce the letter A. So let's go ahead and find out how we say these Spanish days of the week. Domingo means Sunday. So we say domingo in Spanish. Lunes means Monday. In Spanish, it's lunes. Martes is Tuesday. We say this like martes. Miércoles is Wednesday. So we express and emphasize on the E a little bit. Miércoles. Miércoles. Thursday starts with a J, and in Spanish, the J sounds silent or like an H. So this is actually pronounced jueves. Jueves. In Spanish, the V also sounds like a B. So this sounds like an H, this sounds like a B, like the letter B as in boy. So it's jueves. Jueves. Same with Friday. The V actually is pronounced like a B as in boy when we say the word viernes, viernes, viernes. That means Friday. And Saturday has the little tilde on top of the A, so it's sábado, sábado, sábado. So let's go over this again. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. So with me, I have a little song here that we're going to learn, and this will help us to sing and remember the Spanish name of days of the weeks. So let's listen to the song.
Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Domingo,